Hey, welcome back to Globe Explained, and today we are diving into a geopolitical firestorm that could redefine our world. Imagine this: Donald Trump soaking up the sun at his famous Mar-a-Lago resort in Florida. Suddenly, a small drone appears, and in a flash, the unthinkable happens: assassination. This isn't a scene from a Hollywood thriller. This is a dark, chilling statement recently released by Iran, openly discussing a drone strike on Donald Trump. They are talking about it publicly, explicitly, down to the detail of him sunbathing. It's a statement so brazen, so provocative, it sends shockwave across the globe. Tonight we unravel the dangerous game of chess being played between Donald Trump and Iran, and why this isn't just about two leaders, but a potential trigger for a global catastrophe. The statement came from a close advisor to Ayatollah Khamenei, Iran's supreme leader. He literally said, "Don't be surprised if Donald Trump is suddenly killed in a drone attack." He even specified Mar-a-Lago, Trump's iconic property, where he often holds important meetings. The idea of Trump sunbathing, a drone appearing, and his assassination. This is unprecedented in its public nature. So, so this isn't just talk. Iran has been accused in the past of attempting to assassinate Trump. They even released a video showing drones and missiles targeting Mar-a-Lago. Trump has received multiple threats from Iran, and there's a crucial point: Iran has many sleeper cells in the USA. Just like Pakistan, Iran operates with these cells. An immigrant Ferrer from Lebanon, living a normal life in the US for years, just waiting for the day of instruction to attempt an assassination. So let me be very clear: in the next 3 years, the biggest geopolitical event that could impact the entire world might just be the assassination of Donald Trump. Again, this isn't just some special prediction I'm making. Trump himself has often said he's a big target, that an attempt would be made on his life. He's already survived multiple assassination attempts, once by mere inches. From Iran's perspective, their continuous public statements about killing Trump are incredibly foolish. Why? Because, hypothetically speaking, a country that desires Iran's destruction could potentially orchestrate Trump's assassination and then frame Iran. Imagine the fallout: an all-out war between the US and Iran. And let's not forget, a huge segment of the American population has blind faith in Trump. They see him as their protector, a billionaire who didn't need to enter politics, but it's so for them. His assassination will ignite a firestorm of unimaginable proportions. It's not just about successful assassination leading to obliteration. What if there's a major attack on the White House? Trump barely survived, perhaps sustain a minor injury or no injury at all. He then addresses the nation, saying his life was targeted, that America was attacked. This would be the final straw for Iran, leading to a decisive confrontation. This entire issue, I believe, will play a huge role in Iran's future. Iranians today seem to have immense confidence in China and Russia, believing both countries will protect them from the US. This is why they are making such brazen statements about killing Trump at Mar-a-Lago. Otherwise, it simply doesn't make logical sense. This is a very poor strategy from Iran's perspective. Sooner or later, I believe this event could change the entire world. We often hear about World War. This could be the trigger for a world war. Russia and China will not let Iran fall, and Iran's constant threat against Trump could very well lead to a major conflict in the region. And here's another fascinating development. News outlets are now openly discussing Pakistan's betrayal of Iran. I've mentioned this before. If General Asim Munir remains in power, Pakistan will absolutely recognize Israel as a country. In the future, there's a massive impending attack on Iran by the US and Israel. We don't know the dates, but it's coming, and when it does, Pakistan will provide crucial support to the US and Israel. Recently, Pakistan already greatly assisted the US in attack on Iran. This isn't just my observation anymore. Many news outlets are openly reporting it. Pakistan publicly condemned US strike on Iran, stating solidarity with the OIC and the Islamic Ummah. But privately, Pakistan maintains a strategic dependence on the USA. Now it's being openly discussed that Iran is infuriated by Pakistan's disloyalty. If Iran is surprised by this, then I have to say Iran's foreign policy is being run by incredibly incompetent people. Making statement about assassinating Trump and then assuming Pakistan's one side with the US, that was truly stupid. The bond between the US and Pakistan is continuously strengthening. I'll say it again. If this trajectory continues and an attack on Iran becomes imminent, US-Pakistan relations will enter their golden era in incoming years. Pakistan will receive billions of dollars in aid, paid for by US taxpayers. They'll get preferential trade treatment, red carpet, welcomes, everything. As long as Iran remains a major question mark for Israel and the US, Pakistan would benefit immensely. But here's the kicker. Once Iran is dealt with, interestingly enough, Pakistan could be next. It's truly intriguing to watch this development unfold. And of course, if there's any new update on this topic, I'll bring you updated video. This is a volatile situation with global implication. What are your thoughts? Do you think Iran's threats are untoward or are we on the brink of a major conflict? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please hit the like button, share it with your friend, and most importantly, subscribe to Global Explain for more in-depth geopolitical analysis. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next update.